on this currency pair today because I am seeing a rather nice trending scenario, right? A rather nice harmonic price action. Okay, with multiple swings down, right? And well, moreover, seems like as per the last few swing, we are seeing one of those prototypical flag formations, okay, with the pole of the flag and then the flag in itself driving price or retracing price back to the dynamic area. Okay, now I'm just waiting to see whether price will continue retracing or pushing back up, or whether price will find a rejection of the dynamic area and well, will break free from this flag pattern. Okay, obviously that's what I want to see. But at any rate, like I say, for the time being, I cannot take any entry unless price breaks free from that flag formation. Now, please mind that we also have a trend line. If I can more or less draw a straight line, well, we do have a trend line in there, and moreover, if I bring out my Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see how price is now retraced back to the well, actually to the 50% Fibonacci retracement, right to the pip, but at any rate between the 38 and the 61. Okay, so this is a good area to sell from, right? We have the dynamic area, the Fibonacci, that trend line I was showing you before. Price overshoot the dynamic area for just a little bit, but it's alright, as price has come back down rather quickly. Okay, so all in all, this seems like a nice area to sell from in this or within this downtrend as soon as price breaks free from this flag pattern. Okay, that's obviously what I am waiting for here, and should that happen, I will keep you guys updated. Okay, alright, bye bye. Hello there, just a quick update because, well, it seems like finally price is now breaking free from this flag formation. Actually, just give me a second, let me zoom in a little bit more. Alright, there we are. So, as you can see, price is now breaking free from this flag formation, flag retracement formation. We also have a nice breakout candle, right? Nice breakout candle there, and like I say, price is now trading below that breakout point. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zoom into the trigger chart, the 1 hour time frame in this specific case, and well, I'll be searching for my typical breakout pullback continuation pattern. So if I get it, obviously I'll be triggering my short entries as close as possible to this bounce area. All right. Well, that's basically it, guys. As soon as I trigger my entry, if I do find that breakout pullback continuation pattern on the trigger chart, I will keep you updated. Bye bye. Hey guys, Hector here again. Just a quick update to let you know that well, I've triggered my short entry. Okay, I'm spotting what it seems to be a breakout pullback continuation pattern on the trigger chart, and well, this is the breakout thrust. Okay, the breakout thrust I was showing you a few minutes ago, actually, on the setup chart. Now price is retraced back up a little bit, and from here is now falling back down. So all in all, we do have that breakout pullback, retesting more or less breakout levels, and from there, like I say, a continuation is pulling through as I record this video. Okay, right there is what I've clicked on my sell button, 182.75. Stop loss in theory should be up there above the pullback aspect, but it's just too close. I mean, as you can see, that would be a way too tight stop loss. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable with such a tight stop loss. I mean, I am all for having tight stop losses. I do like to be rather aggressive with my stop loss management, but this is just pushing it, it's pushing the chances way too far. Any random wiggle here could easily hit my stop loss, and so what I've done is, instead of setting my stop loss above this pullback high, I've simply placed it above the next pullback high there. All right, like I said, just to give the trade a little bit more of breathing room. And well, obviously my first target, as usual, as per the previous swing high there, as per the previous swing low there, and that will be cashing out as usual, 50-60% of the lot size in there. That's basically it, really. That's basically it. Breakout of the flag formation of the retracement channel. All right, breakout of this this retracement channel in there, right there. Then wait for the first swing pullback on the trigger chart. There we have it, the breakout, then the swing pullback, and you trade simply the continuation, okay, as price begins to trade below the breakout thrust. All right, and that's basically it, guys. Nothing special here. I've traded this type of patterns hundreds of times in the past, so this is just one more time. All right, as they say, don't fix what it's not broken, and well, you know, this is exactly what I am doing here. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I will keep you updated, you know, with whatever happens from now on. Cheers and bye bye. Hey guys, quick update, just to let you know that I've cashed out a little portion of the trade in there as per the previous swing low. More specifically, I've cashed out 50% of the trade for plus 195 pips on this first portion of the trade. I've also trailed my stop loss to break even. Okay, as usual, I like to offset the risk on the trade as price reaches the first target, the previous swing low. Seems like we are now getting a little bit of a rejection of that level. Okay, do you see how price has retraced up a little bit? This is very common market event. As price finds a support at the previous support level, price tends to retrace up, and that's why I like to exit a significant portion of the trade right there and to trail my stop loss down, again, just to offset the risk on the trade. Okay, now for the second portion of the trade, I will simply shoot for the for the outer boundaries of the for the outer projection boundaries on the setup chart. Actually, let me zoom out once again to the setup chart. Just one second. Okay, let me square that in. Actually, just let me zoom in a little bit. Just a second. Alright, there we are. So, like I say, on the setup chart, I will be shooting for the outer projection bands. Alright, as usual, I will be exiting 20, 20, and 10% of my lot size. Okay, and that's pretty much it, really. Nice trade so far, nice profits in here, almost 200 pips, stop loss secured to break even, and who knows, maybe some further profits down here. Anyway, at any rate, I will keep you guys updated. Bye bye. Alright, well, as you can see, this is going to be the final update on this trade because, well, I just closed the remaining 10% out of this market, okay? I exited a further 20% there and another 20% out at that point, and like I say, as price touched the outer boundary, I closed the final 10%. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very nice trade, very straightforward trade, prototypical flag formation with a breakout pullback continuation pattern on the shorter time frames. First target as per the previous swing low, and then simply shoot for the outer projection band. That's it. You know, this is the type of formations that you want to trade over and over and over. Actually, it was a similar setup here, wasn't it? Another flag, another momentum breakout, off it goes, another flag. Okay, retracement back up to the dynamic area, another breakout, off it goes. Like I say, you know, this is a prototypical swinging formation, and the more times